Huawei seems to be preparing something very exciting for its next flagship smartphones, the Mate 80 series. This time, the focus is not just on performance or design, but on something that Huawei has always been known for: its cameras. According to fresh reports, Huawei is working on brand new types of camera lenses that could change the way users capture photos and videos on a smartphone. A well-known tipster on Weibo, going by the name @SmartPikachu, revealed that Huawei is currently testing new kinds of camera sensors for the Mate 80 lineup. But unlike the regular sensors seen in previous models, these ones appear to be quite different. Huawei seems to be exploring two unique types of add-ons: external sensors and plug-in sensors. The idea of external sensors for smartphones is not entirely new, but Huawei might be planning to take it to the next level. An external camera is essentially an add-on module, much like the pop-up cameras, detachable lenses, or even external USB webcams that are usually connected to laptops or other devices. The difference here is that these modules would be designed to work seamlessly with the Mate 80. External cameras can offer a number of advantages, including better image quality, a wider field of view, and specialized enhancements that the built-in camera may not achieve on its own. Another benefit of external sensors is the plug-and-play approach. Users can easily connect them through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB and instantly enjoy better photo and video quality without going through a complicated setup. This approach could allow Huawei to push smartphone photography even closer to professional camera standards. On the other hand, the plug-in cameras are slightly different. These are sensors that connect directly to the device using a cable and a charging port. Unlike external wireless options, a plug-in sensor requires a physical connection to the phone's main camera system. This type of setup might sound less convenient compared to wireless options, but it could provide even higher levels of stability, data transfer, and power efficiency. Plug-in modules could also reduce latency, making them perfect for high-resolution photography and video recording. To simplify, external cameras connect wirelessly or through USB, making them easy to use on the go. Plug-in cameras require a cable but may deliver more stable performance and better power usage. What Huawei intends to do with these two types of camera modules is still unclear. However, testing is already happening, and if successful, these additions could mark a significant step forward for smartphone photography. It's also worth remembering that Huawei has been working hard to enhance its periscope sensor technology. Early rumors suggested that the Mate 80 might feature a periscope sensor that is even more powerful than the one used in the Pro 80 Ultra. If true, then the combination of an advanced periscope sensor, along with these new external and plug-in camera modules, could redefine the photography experience for Mate 80 users. Another interesting detail comes from reports about the supplier. The Mate 80 series is likely to use the latest camera sensor innovations from SmartSense, a company that has been at the forefront of imaging technology. This partnership could give Huawei a clear edge over other smartphone brands, especially in terms of camera performance. Design changes are also expected for the Mate 80 lineup. While Huawei may retain its iconic circular camera bump, small but meaningful upgrades are rumored to be on the way. These updates could improve the aesthetics while also making space for the new camera components. Even minor modifications in the housing design can play a big role when advanced camera technology is involved. All of these details point to Huawei aiming to refresh and modernize the mobile photography experience. For years, Huawei has been recognized for delivering some of the best smartphone cameras on the market, and the Mate 80 series looks set to continue that legacy. If external and plug-in camera modules become a reality, users could expect a new level of flexibility. Whether it's capturing ultra-wide landscapes, achieving professional-grade zoom, or recording cinematic quality videos, the Mate 80 may offer possibilities that regular smartphone cameras cannot match. At this stage, everything is still based on leaks and early testing reports, so nothing is officially confirmed by Huawei. But considering the company's history of innovation in mobile cameras, these leaks carry a lot of weight. Huawei has always tried to surprise its users with new features, and the Mate 80 series might once again raise the bar for flagship photography. In the coming months, more concrete information is expected about these sensors, the design updates, and the overall performance of the Mate 80 series. For now, the key takeaway is that Huawei is working on something fresh and ambitious for smartphone photography. With external and plug-in sensors in the mix, the Mate 80 lineup could deliver an experience that blends the convenience of a smartphone with the power of professional camera gear.